Would you like to be a better PTO president? Of course you do. So that's why you'd better watch this video. We're going to get into 5 ways that you can be a better leader of your group in no time. The first thing that you can do to make your life so much more incredibly easier as a president, and this will really benefit your entire PTO and your time as a leader will be more impactful, is if you have all of your officer and committee chair roles filled. So if you have a vacancy, then that position is going to fall onto you to do as president, unless you can find someone else to take on that role and delegate those tasks to. But if you have separate volunteers they're already in place, ready to handle those positions, then that can make a huge difference maker for you, because that's one less thing you have to do. And then you're going to have enough kind of boots on the ground to make things happen. So get those people lined up early. And if you have to have a replacement because someone moves mid-year, or if they need to resign because they had to go back to work or had a new job that takes up too much of their time and they just don't have the free time that they used to have to devote to PTO, then getting that replacement in there as fast as you can is going to be really a lifesaver for you. The second thing that really makes a huge difference is your relationship with your principal. If you have a tense relationship with your principal, then your life is going to be so much harder as president, because that's just not a good place to be. I have been on both ends of the spectrum as far as having a principal that I love. Currently, that is my situation with my high school principal. He is new. He is fantastic. We get along really well. In fact, maybe a little too well. No, I shouldn't say that part. It makes it sound like something scandalous is happening. Nothing scandalous is happening. There's just a appropriate love fest going on in that I compliment him. He compliments me. We kind of lift up each other, and it is fantastic. So yes, that is the kind of relationship that you want. A couple weeks ago, I went to PTO Founders Day for my district, and I was able to see the principal from the lower elementary school, which I have told you about her before and what a rock star she is. So if you need kind of a refresher about or more tips on how to develop a good relationship with your principal, then I will link to a blog post in the description below about how to partner with your principal, because it is such a game changer. If you have your principal having your back, then that is going to make, I can't tell you what a difference that is, because then you don't have to stress out about not having a supporter there for you. I've had difficult relationships with principals before where they weren't fully trusting me. They weren't giving me the leeway, and they were trying to control everything. That sucked. Those years, we actually did less as a PTO, and overall were less healthy than when we have principals that are fully in support of you and are part of the team. Huge difference maker. So try as hard as you can to get on the same page with your principal and get them on board, seeing your vision, come together with a collective vision. Really, that is going to make a huge difference for you. The third thing that is going to make your life as president better is having some systems. Yes, systems in place. So you're going to want to make sure that you have your bylaws and standing rules up to date. Why? Everyone's going to be on the same page and be working with a common understanding about what they need to be doing and where they are going when you have those documents in place. Sometimes some of the most time-consuming things that eat up all of our time as presidents are little things that really could be automated, or you could put into a system so that everyone knows kind of what to do. One of the systems that makes such a difference for presidents is to have a president's planner or a binder, or it can be this kind of the same thing. So it's just a dedicated place where you can collect all of your notes, contact information, the program details, and the calendar of event, your bylaws, your standing rules, all in one place. Super helpful to have. And this can eliminate a lot of wasted time, and you won't feel like you don't know what's going on, because you can have all of your meeting agendas in one place, all of your meeting notes that you're taking during the meetings there. And so you can reference back to past months to see what you may still need to do. This just really eliminates a lot of things slipping through the cracks, because you're going to be able to keep your finger kind of on the pulse of what's going on and be more accountable, because you're going to have a dedicated place for all information to go. If you would like an instant system to kind of help you do what I just described, then you're going to want to check out the President's Success Kit and also the PTO Success Kit. So the President's Success Kit is what presidents kind of need to kind of get up and running, or if they're already established, to kind of take that position to the next level, to make getting new volunteers to come in as president easier, because it's a way to organize everything in a comprehensive system that makes it easy for someone new to jump in and get going. And it also makes it easy for the existing officer to quickly find what they need and acts as a guide of like what information you should be collecting and hanging on to. The PTO Success Kit kind of does the same thing, but for all of your officers and committee chairs for your entire group. So it's going to give a system to get organized and stay organized, effectively capture event details, and download all of those essential kind of steps that took to plan the talent show or took to plan Founders Day, all in one place, so that you can have it to improve upon for years to come. Because it's way easier just to take something that's already been done and kind of tweak it to improve it each year than it is to kind of create things from scratch. So there are systems baked into the PTO Success Kit that make that possible. There's also a whole bunch of other things, so I highly suggest you go check that out if you feel like your group is just floundering and you don't know what you're supposed to be doing. Like, definitely go check that out. It's kind of guidance and organization and systems all kind of wrapped up into one. The next way to be a better PTO president is to have some goals and plans. So you could have some like personal goals that you come up with for what you want to achieve in your time as president, as well as goals for your PTO. These are best set during the summer before the new school year starts, so that again, you begin the year having a plan. It is much easier and things actually happen when you have a plan in place. One way to make sure that something will not happen is to not have a plan for it. And I found that the years when I thought, oh, I can figure that out later, there just isn't time to figure it out later. So getting that plan in place with like the big picture idea of things kind of set over the summer makes it possible to have like whatever you want to have done, to actually get it done, because you can always fill in the details later. But if you don't have that big picture idea of what you want to be doing, then it's going to be more difficult to do that and execute it at the same time. I have a really good blog post about how to plan over the summer, so I'm going to link that in the description below too. The last thing you need to have in order to be a better PTO president is some support. It really sucks to feel like you're alone and that you don't know what you're doing. First of all, you probably do have a better idea of what you're doing than you're giving yourself credit for, because we are all harder on ourselves than we should be. But also having access to other people who are also running their PTOs in their different schools is really nice. So I highly suggest you go check out PTO Superstar Leaders Facebook group. It is a free group that I host. There are almost 8,000 members, right? So it's really fantastic because there's a wide swath of people to get ideas from, swap stories with, swap ideas, get motivation, get inspiration and ideas for what you can do to improve personally and as well as your group and school. So there you have it. There are 5 different ways that you can be a better PTO president. I hope you have so loved this video, and I will see you in the next one. Want even more guidance on how to be a stronger leader so you can run a better PTO or PTA? All these resources and more are waiting for you at ptoanswers.com.